Recreating a classic chicken salad or tuna salad. This is chickpea salad. Look in the description box below for the written recipe. First, you'll need some chickpeas. 1 can, 30 ounces, or 2 15.5-ounce cans of garbanzo beans. Strain the beans from the liquid and place in a large bowl. Next, you will mash the beans almost until every bean has been touched, but you can leave some of them whole too. The next ingredient in the bowl is a quarter of a purple onion. After cutting the ends and peeling, dice 1/4 of the purple onion. Add to the bowl. Next up, dill pickle slices. You'll need a 1/2 cup of these. If you have relish on hand, feel free to use that. And spoiler alert, this may be the easiest recipe you've ever attempted. Capers are next. These add a nice extra zing to the dish. You'll need a tablespoon, roughly chopped. Good old crisp celery. You'll need 2 stalks. I like to cut the ends off and run my knife down the center length and chop them pretty fine. And don't be afraid to use the celery leaves as well. You can chop those up. You'll need 2 tablespoons of spicy brown mustard, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and approximately 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. This recipe is nearly complete. Mix and add tomato as you plate your dish. If you are having it with a sandwich, this is for my husband. He can have bread. I don't do gluten. I serve the tomato at this point. However, I will also use this with a salad, and I might top my greens with lemon juice, the chickpea salad mixture, and then I'll chop grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes and add that. Tastes pretty good to me. I might be biased. Try it for yourself and let me know. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Have a wonderful day.